welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing y'all how I installed this kinky straight Vpart wig from Nadula. First, I just start by sectioning the hair that I'm going to be leaving out. Now, you don't need to leave too much hair out, but you want to make sure that you have enough out because you don't want to be able to see the tracks at all. And once you've figured out what you're leaving out, you can just brush your hair and put it into a tight bun in the back. Alright y'all, so this is the hair after it's been freshly washed. It's 24 inches. It has clips in the front and back, and it comes with this band as well. But I'm going to be removing the band because I just don't need it. When you're attaching the clips to your hair, you just want to try to get as close to your part as possible because this is going to help ensure that it's really flat and seamless and that it looks like it's coming from your scalp. Y'all, the hair in its natural state is everything. It is so thick and full, and it's just soft. Like, it just gives. Like, in its natural state, the hair is giving. I'm definitely finna flat iron it, but this is a look. So next, I'm just separating my hair because I'm gonna attempt to do a silk press on this hair. Y'all know this is my fave, but I'm going in with my chai silk infusion. I'm just going to be putting that throughout the hair. So I seen the girls on TikTok say that instead of chasing your hair with a comb, chase it with this brush and that'll make it be smoother. And they were not wrong. They were not wrong, and it was giving silk press at the salon. Like, y'all, for real, look at the before and look at the after.
How's your aunt?
Alright y'all, so I'm done straightening all the hair, and look at her. She looks so good. It looks so good. This hair is just flowing. It's everything. I'm obsessed with this hair. For my hair, I'm going to be doing the exact same steps that I did for the wig, and I'm just going to be applying my chai silk infusion and then just straightening it. Ain't nothing gets straightened but straight, whatever Migo said. Y'all, this is the hair fully straightened and blended with my hair, it looks so natural, and the density is just so thick. Like, I hate when I get a thin wig, and this was like the perfect density for it. So y'all, I am not a professional like at all, but I decided that I was gonna try to do like that cute layered look. I know y'all know, like the 90s look, and it was really cute. It was coming out cute. Like, I have never tried to layer my hair at all, so I was so surprised that I did not completely just ruin it. Y'all, OMG, I was so proud of myself. Like, look at the layers. They look so cute and natural, like, and they frame my face really well. Now I'm just going into the ends, and I'm doing flat iron curls, just something simple just to add some texture to it. So when it comes to bumping the layers by your face, you're just gonna want to do it real gently, like barely even curl the hair, because you want it to be very natural. So just barely move your wrist, and that should give you the nice natural bump. All right, y'all, so this is the finished look. I literally am obsessed. I love how this looks, and I hope that y'all love it too, and that y'all give it a try. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all next time.